Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are enjoying your studies. बच्चों, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि हम सोल ट्रेडर पढ़ रहे हैं. सोल ट्रेडर बिजनेस is having a lot of merits. The very first merits I just want to tell you: easy to start and dissolve. Suppose your good self. Whenever you like, you can start your own business. You can set up easily because your business required no legal formalities. Only in few cases, like you want to open your medical store, then you need a license for a chemist shop. So you can start easily and you can close down whenever you like. Second point, we go for motivation to work. As we know that sole trader enjoy all the profit, so it is a motivation to work. Suppose as you are studying, the more you study, the more you marks will get. So that's a motivation that if I study well, I will definitely do something great in my life. So in the same manner, a businessman, if he work sincerely with all dedication and devotion, so he receives all the profits. Now, he have to bear all the losses. In life, a sole trader, he have to bear all the losses if his effort is not according to the requirement. So there is a direct relationship between effort and reward. Now we go to quick decision. A sole trader is totally free to take decision according to the need of the business, need of the deal. He can take quick and prompt decision, and due to that he can get a lot of advantage of that particular deal. Now we go to independent control. Here a sole trader proprietor enjoys complete freedom of action. There is no government interference, there is no legal formalities. So in day-to-day operations, he is independent to take any decision in favor of the business. Flexibility of operation. A sole trader need not to consult anyone. He is not having any partner or nothing like that. So he is quite free to have his own decision for the affair of the organization. He can change his decision according to the condition of the market. So these are the merits, main merits which I have discussed with you about a sole trader. One more, personal contact. He maintains close contact with the customers and his employees. So it is beneficial for him to increase his profit. Please learn it and write it also. Thank you.